Welcome to Royal Chess Center, the chess courses for beginners. Today we are going to study the idea of deflection of piece. Let's start. This is a puzzle and this is for beginners, as Royal Chess Center is dedicated for chess beginners. This is a very nice example of defense, attack. Normally players in the beginner level, they get confused, so study this position carefully. As you can see, in this position white is attacking one knight, which is the knight on f5, and similarly the black is also attacking the knight on b3. Now it is white to play. The idea will be same for both sides. Now let's study it more. The knight on f5 is defended by the queen on d8. Also, the queen on d8 is defending the rook on c8. Now what happens if we try to deflect the queen, which is defending the knight, from d8 square? So we can capture the the rook on c8. The queen is deflected and it is on c8 square, no longer defending the knight, as you can see. So the knight on f5 is hanging. Knight is under attack. We play knight b3. So this is a winning advantage for white. Same position, if it was black to play, black could have captured the rook. And what will be the best move of white now? Yes, the best move for white will be either capture the rook by the knight or the bishop. If white capture the rook by the queen, the same thing happens. The queen is deflected from b3, defending the knight. So this knight will be captured by black's knight. Very easy and very important. Deflection of positions or deflecting the pieces. The name of the idea may be different in different states or country, but the idea will be same. So in this position, the idea was deflecting the queen from f5, which was defending the knight, to c8. The first move will be rook takes c8. Similarly, if we capture the knight first, then what happens? Queen will capture the knight, and this rook on c8 is already defended by the f8 rook. So black will have no problem. I hope you understood deflection of piece. That's all for today. I hope you understood this idea. This is a very important idea. I would like you to memorize this position and apply this idea in your games. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe the channel. Thank you.